And a very good evening, everyone. Jeremy here, quantstrategic.com.sg, and I'm covering spot gold today versus US dollar. This is a monthly chart and a quick recap of the long term prospects of gold. I have in front of me the Ichimoku cloud as well as the super trend line indicator, and on a monthly basis, the story for gold since layman is that we had this nice long signal right here in 2009, and thereafter it made this high in 2011 at a level of 1921. Thereafter, it actually retraced back 50%, hit a level of 1100, and thereafter we had a long signal right here at 1297 on the 2nd of May 2016, targeting, of course, that 1920 level, which we hit and exceeded in 2020 last year and hit a high of 2075. So, what is happening right now is that we are seeing a retracement for gold, and essentially, right now, it's sitting on that Kijun line, the white line of the Ichimoku cloud of 1738. It could bounce from here to test that 2075 level, or second scenario, they could pull back, which I would prefer, to the pivot point of the super trend line, which has been supporting this particular rally at 1539, and then a rebound to test that 2075 line. All right. So, guys, essentially, gold still bullish, uptrend above the Ichimoku cloud line. So, it looks good on the longer term basis. And we were just looking for this pullback to that 1738 or the 1539 level to retest the highs at 2075. So, continuing with the weekly chart, which I term as the medium term charts, and all these levels, not to worry, is in my blog, quantstrategic.com.sg. I'll put a link below the YouTube video for you to catch the levels and a recap that I've just captured in written. And on a weekly chart, the medium term basis, we had a long signal initially on the 24th of December 2018 at 1264. And this gave you that very, very nice uptrend to hit that 2080 level, pull back, had a short signal right there, and currently bounced off from 1680, had a nice long signal right here for continuation to test that all-time high. However, currently we are seeing a little bit of weakness right here where it's trying to test this pivot line at 1742. I'll call this very critical because if we break that 1742 super trend line, we will effectively broken the uptrend and start a new downtrend right here below the Ichimoku cloud line. All right. So I repeat, this particular level, the pivot at 1742 is critical. We cannot break it. If we do, then we have sustained weakness below the Ichimoku, below the super trend line, and a fresh short signal right here at 1742 to test 1539, which is on the monthly charts, super trend line, which I've just covered earlier on. This particular level here at 1539. All right, so I'll recap those figures in my blog. And moving on, this is the daily chart of gold and you can see that there is a fresh long short signal at the level of 1772 issued on the 16th of September last week, targeting that level of 1539. All right, so on a short term basis, on the daily's chart, it is issuing a short signal to test at 1539 with a pivot resistance on the super trend line at 1827. So, what this means is that unless gold is able to break through 1827 to test higher levels, most likely because of this short signal, you're going to have prolonged weakness to test that 1539 level. And and if you go down one level lower on the 4 hourly charts, then you can see a short signal that was already issued on the 7th of September at a level of 1808. And this particular short signal has been quite successful, closing at 1754 from this particular short at 1808. All right, so as a recap, what we have spoken for gold, essentially on the longer term charts, is still on an uptrend, pullback, support at 1738, if not support at 1539. And on the medium term charts on the weekly basis, we already have this particular pivot support at 1742. We need to watch this critical level of 1742 for more weaknesses or a bounce back up to test that 2075 level. On the shorter term charts on the dailies, we have a short signal already on the 16th of September, and on the 4 hourly charts, a short on the 7th of September at 1808, and currently closing at 1754. All right, so watch that key level pivot of 1742. And all these levels will be on my blog. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe if you want to see the next video that I'll be coming up with. Have a great weekend, guys.